core system library is failing because of the Logon Client DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before diving into the Logon Client technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Logon Client, the NetLogon Client library. It provides unmanaged routines for orchestrating user logins across a domain, facilitating the secure authentication data link for system manifests. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scannow so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like Logon Client. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Logon Client. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Logon Client DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Logon Client. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Logon Client, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.